Hey guys, today we will learn inheritance. As we know, the reason behind OOP programming is to promote the reusability of code and to reproduce complexity in code, and it is possible by using inheritance. These are the types of inheritance in C Sharp: single, hierarchical, multi-level, and multiple. The inheritance concept is based on a base class and derived class. Let us see one by one. This is the type of single inheritance. There is one base class and one derived class. Let's see how we can do this in programming. Okay, let's create a base class, public class, let's say A, and we'll define a variable public float, let's say salary equal to say 1 lakh, right? And we'll define a second class, that is derived class, public class B, and we'll inherit class A in it. Let's say variable public float, say bonus equal to 10,000. Now we will make a object of class B and access both the variable b b equal to new b. Yeah, now we have an object of class B and we will print the salary and bonus from the one object. Console dot write line b dot salary and console dot write line b dot bonus and read key. Control S, let's save and start to check the output. So we can see here the salary and the bonus. Now let's check the another type of inheritance. So the second is hierarchical inheritance. The pattern is like we have a base class named A, then the derived class named B, and B is inherited a class A. Then we have C class, it is inherited A, and the D is inherited A. So this is the hierarchy of the class inheritance. Let's see in the programming. So in the previous example, we have created class A and B. Now we will create a class C, public class C, and will inherit class A and add some variable float sum equal to 1 lakh and 10,000, right? So in hierarchical inheritance, we will we use the one base class in the multiple derived class. That's why it is called a hierarchical inheritance. So this was a hierarchical inheritance. Let's see the next one. The next is multi-level inheritance. There is one base class named A, then one derived class B. B is inherited a class A, and we have one another class, that is C class, and we will inherit class B in C. So this is multi-level inheritance. Let's class A, then class B inherited A, class C inherited class B. Let's see in the programming. So in the previous example, in class C, we have inherited class A. Instead of class A, we will use here class B. Instead of class A, we will use class B. So this is our multi-level inheritance. Let's create an object of class C here and C, right? So we can use method and variable of class A as well as class B. Console dot writeline C dot sum. So we can see here we have only inherited class B in class C, but we can use class A methods or the variable in class C because the base class of class C is derived class A. That's why we can use all the variable here. Salary, bonus and sum. The next type of inheritance is multiple inheritance. It is possible by using interface. We will see this concept in the next video.